Welcome to StoRemote and all our how-to videos. This is a series of video tutorials that will help you access your account and navigate through the system. How to log in. Before you begin, please make sure that your browser is set at www.storemote.net. Once you're there, you will see that the browser will ask for a username and password. This is assigned to you by default, which will be sent by email. After putting in your username and password, select the Sign In button. When signed in, you will then be directed to what we call the dashboard. There is an automatic pop-up of buttons that you can select to directly lead you to all the features of our StoRemote POS system. These buttons will be very helpful once your account has been fully set up. Once you close the pop-up pad, you will see your main dashboard. On the main page of the dashboard, you will automatically see your actual sale for the day, how many stores or active cash registers you have, which items are selling well, and which items need to be restocked. On the left panel of your dashboard are things you can do, where you can encode and make changes in all parts of the system. We will go through each feature one by one in the following videos.